Hi, and welcome back to the garden. Today is Sunday, March 5th.
You set up some more tomato trellises. Except I kept this one close enough. I put some oval wire up here because I'm not going to spend $100 on a cattle panel. Had some extra tubing, made an arch. This is going to be just fine for a little arch. I don't know if we're going to have peas, beans, or cucumbers hanging. Maybe all of them. It's about 75 degrees out right now. It's gorgeous. So I thought we'd just do a little work. Now the last 2 years, I planted tomatoes along both of these trellises back here. I'm only going to plant along this trellis. I think I'm going to plant the peppers along that back trellis, at least partially. I may put up some more wire in between. We may go ahead and we'll see what we get. Here's a little something to remember. When the wind's blowing this hard, even if you've had rain, it starts drying it out on top. You always want to make sure your containers, your raised beds, your mini greenhouses, you want to make sure you have enough water for your young plants. It'd be a shame to make it all the way through winter and have them die because you didn't get out and water them on a windy day. And if you've been following my story, you know the fence on both sides, they're trellis for whatever's growing in that area, and I get just full. So I imagine this is going to fill out nicely this year. At least I hope so. You can do this too. And on a nice, warm, windy day, I sure appreciate you coming out and visiting. Of course, you don't have to do it all in one day. I do a little bit at a time. You can do this too.
Well, I think I'm going to head on into the house and get a cup of coffee. And I want to thank you, B. Walter, for buying that cup of coffee for me. I sure appreciate it.
Until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.